So you work a lot in rural development in India. Do you think that the new Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, is going to be a strong supporter of your agenda?
Oh, yeah, it's a very good question. And Modi is coming from a middle class background, and Modi is our future, and he is our hope in the country. That he is more and more to the downtrodden, and he is thinking of a change in the country. And the models which he has established as a chief minister in his state from Gujarat is a world model, and then especially country is looking forward to adopt the technologies and the systems and the development scenario established there. And Modi is really going to be a boon and supportive to the rural development. And especially he's talking about the poverty and poverty issues, and especially he's thinking about the changing the situation to come up the per capita of rural communities. And definitely he's going to be a big supportive, and that's what we all are looking forward, and that's how we all are being supportive, and then he is supportive, and he's going to be a change in the country, and he's going to do a lot of changes in the development sector coming up in the country under his leadership.
There's been a lot of controversy surrounding Modi and his religious background. Do you think that the problems there could undermine a development agenda in India?
Might be the kind of the experiences faced in the beginning of his service started. Might have been his political background. But while traveling of his journey as a chief minister, he changed a lot, and then he is now not going to be a leader for the religious, or he's going to be an instrument for religion. He's now in other side of the situation. He's now coming into a mode of a development, and more he's thinking of a change in the kind of perspective, a change in the kind of a religion, a perspective of development coming in the country, because he is more and more looking, and the way he traveled entire the country, and now the hope he created in the country, that he is looking for a change, he is looking for a development, he is more and more going to be a downtrodden people supportive, and going to strengthen the poor people in the country, and that's really going to be a big hope as part of his personal capacity. And we are not much looking into his background of a political party which he is coming from. Might be at international scenario it look like that, but the more and more we insiders of the country, we are looking more as a middle and lower and the poorest of the poor and poor people, looking forward to have a change and good development situation in the country coming up.
Modi has a very good record of introducing solar technology in his state of Gujarat, where he was chief minister, but Gujarat is one state among 29. Do you think there are going to be challenges in implementing an effective policy across the whole of India, and what are those challenges?
Definitely, that's a good question actually. Out of 23 or 25 states, he did a good model in Gujarat. Definitely, other states are also in the change mode, and other states are also coming up in their own strategies. Of each state varies the experiences, scenario, climate change, and the situations. And more state like Andhra Pradesh, which I come from, which is more and more drought stricken. And I come from southern Andhra Pradesh, which we work with 1,000 villages, with other non-profit organizations, and with the government of India and the government of Andhra Pradesh, which has ready to adopt, and we are ready to change and adopt technologies. And definitely, it is going to be a big challenge to Modi to transform the kind of models which he has established in Gujarat. Is going to be transforming into other states. Definitely, it is going to be a challenge, and we have a hope that he has already made a platform and he has already made a ground to take up some of these, and then some of the ministers which has taken up newly has given a clear mandate to them how best to take up the transfer of these technologies and methodologies to work in the country.